Hi, it's Brenda. I did a live stream, my first official live stream, on Saturday, May 5th, during which I shared a lot. So I thought I'd do a little recap. Since I taught for an hour and 20 minutes, can you believe that? That's a lot of words. It's been a long, miserably cold winter.
Hi, welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you?
And despite the fact that I managed to catch a perfect snowflake in my glove, I'm over it, way over it. But how cool is that snowflake? During the cleaning and fixing of my computer, I came across a whole bunch of random clips and pictures that honestly have nothing to do with anything. So I thought I would just mush them together and talk over top of them. Apparently I can talk.
It's just a closet. There's nothing in there.
The boy left his sneakers here one day, and they're in the closet.
It's a closet. Hey, there's nothing in there for you. Yeah, you see that snow?
And now on with the updates before my recap needs a recap. During the live stream, the boy joined the live chat, and he was moderating for me. He also told everyone his real name, which is Josh. So now, no more having to edit it out when I mess up and say his name.
I know, it's very sad. I don't know why. Make it go away. If it were to stop doing that, we could go for a walk.
During the live stream, we decided to do a monthly Q&A video where the boy will ask your questions of me and I will answer them. So these questions don't get lost in the shuffle, the boy set up an email specifically for your questions to be asked during these monthly Q&As. I will put the email address on the screen. I will also link it in the description box below. So please send any questions that you want answered to eddiesboy2018@gmail.com. The boy will compile and combine these questions and join me on camera. So I'm super excited about this video.
I think you're a little backwards there, little girl. I think that's the wrong spot. Hey. Hi, I think you're backwards. No, that's the right way? Okay. I've been doing it wrong.
We also decided to do a monthly live stream. So no promises on a time frame for these. It's all going to be based on the boy's schedule. And now on to the update. If you want all the nitty-gritty little details of these, watch the live stream. I explain everything in excruciating detail on that.
Your cool new duds? What do you think about it? You don't know? You can get up and move with it on. It's not bothering you? No, you can get up and move with it. Wonder how long she'll stay like that.
Next update, the boy got a new job. Awesome opportunity for him. Super proud mama moment. I bragged. But that did change our plans to move souther and wester.
Definitely not too tight.
We are now looking at 6 months or so. I definitely want to go before winter.
Come on, let's get up and walk with it on.
I do not want to experience another New York winter.
You gonna walk with it on? Pretend I'm not here.
But he just couldn't pass up a job like this.
Okay, you pretend I'm not here.
Some of these clips I included just because they're funny. And every time Addie heard herself whine in the video, she's whining back at it. So I think she's going to be part of this voiceover.
Is it that bad? Are the hind legs broke? But it looks so pretty on you. It does look pretty. Yeah, they see what I did to you. You poor girl. Look at how pretty it looks on you. You see how pretty you look? I know. So sad. Oh, I have to keep the eyes closed to show how pathetic we look. I know.
And as far as updates go, this is how I spent most of my winter.
Go ahead, I'm just filming you eating. You're okay. That's not breaking you. But you did get your arm out. Hey, get away from that water dish.
Talk about your drama queen. So when she wasn't being tortured by me with the harness, I know it's sad. She was helping me get caught up on my YouTube watching once I was YouTubeable again. She was fascinated by this one.
Eddie's saying, where's mine?
The boy got a new wonderful job. Huge yay. The person who is training him is selling the boy his car for very reasonable payments. Double yay. She perked up at that baby sound, didn't she? Since we were going to be here that much longer, I started looking for an apartment. But then the next day the manager told me that he was turning this building into apartments.
It's just me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Did I disturb you? I touched you trying to get your face. I touched you. Hey, what happened here? What happened? Oops. What happened?
I found this clip from back when we were packing up the house, and I had to include it.
What happened with it? Hey, I was saving those. How did they get spilled? Do you know? And what happened with this? How did that get all over the floor? Is that how? Yeah, is that what you did? Yeah, are you proud of that? You made a mess, you know. Look at all this. Look at that over there. Are you going to pick it up? How did that get spilled? Let's pick it up. Come on. Come here. Put these back in here. Come on. Put them back in here. I was saving that to use for something. Put them back in here. All right, can you pick up those and put them in? Pick them up and put them in here. Put them in here. Yeah, pick up those and put them in. Don't just tell them, do it. The boy's moving. Hey, pick those up. Pick up your mess.
And she listens as well as the boy did when he was younger.
Go pick your mess up.
And as well as he still listens now. So the manager told me they're turning this building from a hotel into apartments, and I can have the first one as soon as it's done. So each day I went out to the lobby, there was a new something there, a new part of my soon-to-be new kitchen. Check it out, a full-size refrigerator. How cool is that going to be? Can you say ice cream? I know I can. And the cupboards are going to be white. I think that will look nice with all my red kitchen doodads. I keep getting more and more excited. I can't wait. So each evening I keep sneaking down into my new apartment to be and checking out the work, and it's a little bit at a time each day. So as I'm doing this voiceover right now, it's Saturday, May 12th, and the manager told me yesterday that the apartment should be ready sometime next week. Yay! I will be filming the whole cleaning the new place, moving into the new place, cleaning the old place. There's the brand new door that they put between the two rooms. Right now I'm packing up this room, anything that I think we won't need for the next week. Just doing ahead of time as much as possible, and filming it of course, and cleaning what I can. I'll be honest though, I'm not going to do a fantastic cleaning of it, because eventually it's going to look like this.
Oh my gosh, it's starting. It's messy, but it's starting. And then over here, look at that. So, I'm going to assume this will be the kitchen and living room. And we have that door, and the thing I'm tripping over, and then this will be the bedroom.
It's actually pretty cool to see the place go from 2 hotel rooms to 1 apartment, step by step, on the sly. I'm sneaking in.
It's exciting.
So one plus of having the apartment is that we can empty the storage unit. So we are going to a few boxes at a time, sort through what I'm going to keep, what I think I should sell, what we'll want for Texas but don't need for here, etc. And I'll be taking you guys along with that, and probably going into a little more detail than I need to.
It's pretty.
I'm liking that counter. I think the whole thing is pretty. And again, if you want more details for everything, you can watch the live stream. I went into all the gory details there. This part, not so pretty. So, more packing and moving. Addie has been put in charge of the packing paper, and she's quite proud of her skills. I also very subtly hinted at a future project that I'm working on that may or may not ever be completed, and I gave a shout out to the company that's helping me with it. They are not writing for me, even though they are content writers, but they did help me with another aspect of the writing. I am just oh so subtle, aren't I? So their information I put on the screen, and I'll also put it in the description box below. And please remember, if you would like a question answered in our monthly Q&A, email it to the boy at addiesboy2018@gmail.com, and he will make sure I answer it. Since Addie is all packed and ready to go, I'm ready for a nap. Thanks for watching. Take care and toodles.